it's a butterfly shape. We are using here. Create a new shape. Also apply the structure. Make in there. We will have the attraction. So we will take another shape. And let's apply the structure again. Using that butterfly in a sequence. And changing the colors for the uniqueness here. Add a paint here we are using. So let's create another shape. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.